This is the Cessna 340, a flexible and capable airplane that meets the business mission well and can do double duty as a family airplane. Although airplanes are often sold as business and transportation tools, the reality of ownership falls short of the ideal. They either lack the range, the carrying capacity, or the ability to deal with real-world weather. Thus, an airline or a charter outfit gets the call. Still, there are plenty of pilots or businessmen who couldn't function without an airplane. These owners typically start with single-engine airplanes and quickly outgrow them for the reasons stated above. A serious business airplane needs a decent cabin, credible speed, and the ability to hack it when there's ice or thunder in the forecast. Pressurization is nice, since the clients don't want to spend several hours with a plastic hose stuck up their noses. Enter the Cessna 340. Owners looking to step up from a high-performance single will inevitably make a pass or two through the 340 classified section. And well, they should. Stay with us till the end of the video, because here is everything you need to know about the Cessna 340. Stepping inside, the cabin class twin stands tall, imparting a sense of big airplane safety and comfort. The luxury of the air stair door is a significant upgrade from typical entry methods, providing easy access and enhancing the overall passenger experience. With its dimensions of approximately 12 feet, 7 inches or 3.84 meters in length, 4 feet 3 inches or 1.30 meters in width, and 4 feet or 1.22 meters in height, the cabin presents a comfortable and spacious environment for up to 6 occupants. This size allocation allows for a configuration that typically comprises a pilot and co-pilot in the cockpit, with 4 passengers accommodated in the main cabin area, with a seating arrangement in the main cabin that is usually executed in a club configuration, although many owners opt to remove the forward-facing left side seat for additional space, making the cabin even more accommodating and flexible for passenger needs. The cabin is adorned with plush seats that can be adjusted and reclined for optimal comfort and are often upholstered in high-quality materials. Noise insulation is another critical aspect meticulously addressed in the Cessna 340, with the cabin designed to minimize engine and aerodynamic noise. The inclusion of the Keith electric air conditioning system, as opposed to the factory hydraulic system, is particularly prized for its efficiency in maintaining a cool cabin during hot days, marking a significant improvement in environmental control. The Cessna 340 can also be outfitted with modern communication systems, including satellite phones and Wi-Fi. Storage space is thoughtfully integrated into the cabin's design, with compartments for luggage, personal belongings, and even provisions for refreshments and catering, depending on the owner's preferences. Maintenance and customization options for the cabin are plentiful, with many owners choosing to upgrade or refurbish their interiors to meet specific needs or tastes. These upgrades can range from installing the latest avionics systems, refreshing the upholstery and cabin finishes, to enhancing cabin lighting with LED technology for a more contemporary ambience. Now let's step into the cockpit. The pilot and co-pilot seats are adjustable, allowing for an optimal seating position in relation to the instrument panel and controls. Originally, the Cessna 340 was equipped with analog instruments, a standard for its time, offering pilots a direct and tactile interaction with the aircraft's systems. Over the years, however, many Cessna 340s have been upgraded with modern avionics suites, which include digital flight instrumentation systems, GPS navigation, and advanced communication radios, which significantly enhance situational awareness, reduce pilot workload, and increase the aircraft's capabilities in terms of navigation and flight management. A typical modernized avionics suite might feature a Garmin G600 or G500 glass cockpit system, which integrates primary flight information, moving map navigation, and multifunction display capabilities into a seamless interface. This system often comes paired with the GTN 750/650 touchscreen navigators, providing comprehensive navigation, communication, and aircraft system monitoring functions. Autopilot systems such as the Garmin GFC 600 or the S-Tech System 55X are also common upgrades in the Cessna 340. These autopilot systems offer features like altitude, pre-select, vertical speed selection, and GPS roll steering, significantly enhancing the aircraft's handling characteristics and reducing pilot workload. In addition to navigation and flight control systems, modern Cessna 340s are often equipped with advanced safety systems, including TCAS, TORS, and satellite weather receivers, which provide pilots with real-time information about potential hazards, weather conditions, and traffic conflicts. Operating at a differential of 4.2 psi, the pressurization system maintains a comfortable cabin environment even at high altitudes. This system, shared with Cessna's 400 series twins, ensures an 8,000-foot cabin altitude up to 20,000 feet. Above that, the cabin climbs with the airplane. Cessna offered an automatic pressurization control, which activates and deactivates while climbing or descending through 8,000 feet. A few airplanes have it, but more buyers opted for the variable control system, which allows the pilot to program cabin altitude and rate of climb. The variable system maintains a sea-level cabin up to 9,000 feet, then delivers the pilot-selected cabin altitude until a 4.2 psi differential is reached. While known ICE certification came in 1977 and up, the majority of 340s have what is called full de-ice. This usually means boots on the wing and tail, with the exception of the wing stubs, heated props, and alcohol spray for both sides of the windshield. This is adequate for many 340 owners. The few 340s out there with hot props only are tough to sell, but can be ideal for owners in warmer locations. The cockpit's electrical system is designed to be robust and reliable, with redundant systems ensuring continuous operation of critical avionics and instruments. Electrical buses and circuit breakers are logically arranged, allowing pilots to quickly address any electrical issues that may arise during flight. Communications equipment is equally sophisticated, with modern aircraft featuring digital audio panels that integrate seamlessly with navigation and communication radios, ensuring clear and effective communication with ATC and other aircraft. And the integration of SATCOM systems further extends the aircraft's communication capabilities, allowing for global reach. Now let's talk about the engine, performance specifications, and how it flies. The Cessna 340 is powered by two Continental TSIO 520NB engines with a TBO of 1,600 hours, each producing 310 horsepower at 2,800 RPM. These turbocharged, direct-drive, air-cooled, six-cylinder engines with fuel injection systems are a testament to Continental's legacy of delivering power and reliability. The engines are designed to operate efficiently in a wide range of conditions, from sea level to the aircraft's maximum service ceiling, ensuring a consistent performance envelope that pilots can rely on. The aircraft requires 1,650 feet or 503 meters of runway to take off at sea level on a standard day, and has a full fuel payload of 900 pounds or 408 kilograms. Rate of climb per minute at sea level is a respectable 1,650 feet or 500 meters, but climb performance tapers above 20,000 feet to a dawdling 300 to 400 feet in the mid-20s. Not bad as twins go, but certainly no turboprop either. The 340 is a high flyer with a service ceiling of nearly 30,000 feet, 29,800 feet, or 9,100 meters to be exact. But most owners wisely operate in the high teens to mid-20s, where the airplane can be expected to true between 190 and 205 knots on about 30 gallons or 113 liters at 65% power, 200 to 217 knots on 33 gallons or 125 liters using 75% power, and a maximum cruise speed of 244 knots. And finally, the aircraft has a maximum range of 1,400 nautical miles, which is 1,610 miles or 2,600 kilometers, and a minimum landing distance of 1,475 feet or 450 meters. Now, let's talk about the price and cost. When the Cessna 340 was first introduced in the early 1970s, its price was approximately $200,000, but today, the average price for a used Cessna 340 ranges from $200,000 to $300,000. And while the annual fixed cost is estimated at $20,000 to $30,000, the average hourly operating cost is estimated at $300 to $400. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.